Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you aboard. Cabin Airways Flight 600, destined to Kingston, Jamaica. Your flight crew today, Captain Jeff Miller, who's assisted by First Officer Giselle A. Banks. There are 4 cabin crew members on board, Christy, Jonathan, Susan, and Sophia. Our flight time is...
Ladies and gentlemen, lift up on the buckle cover. On this and every flight, you should be aware of the emergency exits nearest to you. Please take a moment to locate the exit closest to you, bearing in mind business class. For use,